How to strike the balance between data gathering from citizens' day-to-day activities in the name of security with their right to privacy, especially where it involves sophisticated mass trawling systems used in the US and Europe. No easy matter, but Parliament's Civil Liberties Committee has been monitoring lengthy negotiations with that challenge uppermost.
We're in a very delicate situation today. We're about to deal with ISIL and ISIS. We have to fight terrorism. We have got big security needs. But nevertheless, we have to ensure that we get judicial redress for EU citizens in the American context.
This week, his committee got a progress report from the EU negotiators working an agreement. And although it was held in secrecy, members spoke of advances, but with some continuing concerns.
What we want is, at the end of it, is to see that EU citizens have equal rights with US citizens in the courts in the United States, so that they're not sort of, as it were, second class in terms of their data protection, in terms of their privacy. And that when you're looking at this, of course, in terms of the whole national surveillance, we want to be sure we've got clear, guaranteed safeguards.
The agreement is an umbrella designed to set broad rules in security and in other data transfer and exchange scenarios. Among the key rules, to limit the purpose for which data is used, to ensure data is adequate and relevant to the task, not just randomly trawled, to safeguard sensitive material.
How much better would it be to have an umbrella agreement that actually can be simply applied in areas of data exchange? I think the misunderstandings that have existed between us, and you might argue the occasional allegations of abuse and so on, I think they will become a thing of the past.
Nothing is going to move fast, though, until judicial redress is resolved. And there, says Claude Moraes, there may be issues, as many US politicians will be reluctant to give foreigners, in this case Europeans, exactly the same rights as Americans.